So what are maps? A map is a key value pair, no? Yes. A map is a key value pair. You can see my screen, right? No, not it.
Yeah,
Yes.
we can see.
So a map is a key value pair. So where keys will be there and there will be a values for that. Suppose let's say here vegetable, then we say, or instead of this one, let's consider student details. So name, yeah, name, then let's say Kalyan, then we have age, we have, okay, we have age, then we have roll number, we have percentage. What are these? These are keys, na? If we talk in terms of Apex, these are keys, okay? These are keys, and these are what? Whatever we write here are the
Values.
values. Yes, values. So Kalyan and age will be 28, then roll number 18, then percentage 79. Yeah. This is called a map if the data is in this form. Similarly, in the JavaScript also, we call them as object. Okay, what we call them as a object. The name of object. Objects are nothing new. They are the maps. They are the maps. Okay, they are maps. But instead of calling them as a map, we call them as a objects. Okay, in JavaScript, objects plays a crucial role. Okay, whatever the data JavaScript sends to another services, HTML or some we are using integration, then everywhere the JavaScript sends in the object format only. We say JSON, JavaScript object notation. So REST APIs, if you know about REST API integration, then the data is sent in the form of a JSON. So everywhere you see, we see object. Object has a very important role in the JavaScript. Okay. Now they don't call it as a map, they don't call it as a dictionary, they call it as a object where it have a keys as well as values. Okay, it has a keys as well as values. We'll denote like this. Okay, we'll denote like this. So if this is a map, sorry, if this is a object, then name, okay, name, then age, then roll number. These are what come on, these are keys, na? Keys. Then Kalyan, then age 28, then roll number 18, comma separated. These are values. Okay. This is a key value pair. This is a key value pair. This is a key value pair. So this is how a JavaScript map or JavaScript object will be. Okay. Objects are variable too, but objects contain many values. Now, do you remember? Do you remember in the JavaScript, sorry, in the Apex, we can declare only one type of object. I mean, one type of map, string, comma, string, or string, comma, integer. So all the values should be in the form of a integer, no? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes.
Now let's see. What is this one? This is a string. Okay.
String.
This is if you think in terms of a map in Apex. So this is a string, and these keys are strings, and values are also strings. But here, what value we have? It's an integer.
Integer.
JavaScript accepts that one. JavaScript accepts whether you give an integer, whether you give a decimal, whether you give another map here, another map or another list. Okay, it accepts because this is different from the our map concept. but it resembles the map. Okay, it resembles the map where it have key value pairs. Okay, values needs not to be only one integer type. Okay, values need not to be only one integer type. It can be one data type. It can be a combination of different data types. Clear this one? Do you need more like explanation on this line?
No,
No.
it's clear.
Everyone?
Yeah, it's
Yeah. So how do you create an object? Simple. This one you know, na? Const person, let student. Generally, how you will create a variable in the JavaScript? How you will how you will create a variable? Let me go to this one. JS objects. Hmm, right now, let me. So don't worry about this thing. This all you know, na? Lightning card, a paragraph. This all you know. Okay. So let us go to the JavaScript. Student data. Okay. Then in this JavaScript, okay, in this JavaScript, let's create a variable. Okay. Let's create a variable. Hmm, let's create a method first. And it'll click. And then inside that handle click method, we have a data, student data. Details equal to, then we have, so student details, then we'll, yeah, we'll copy this one. Now, okay, now we have another thing here. Let's say we have student name, okay, student name equals to empty. Okay, student name equals to empty. Now, in this we can say this dot, okay, this dot student name equal to person. Let's say person. Let's understand first, okay? Now this student name or whatever complete object will print here instead of student data. We say print. We will create. I mean, we'll print the student name. I mean the details. My bad. My bad. My bad. Wait. Student data. Student data. Student data. Now the method name is handle click. Handle click. Yes. So this is done. Now, let me go to this or arc. We have two options to test anything. Na? One thing we'll see on the screen. The other thing where we used to test the output. Come on.
Inspect.
Inspect. In the inspect, how you used to print? We used to do.
Console.log.
Yeah, console.log. So, can you see the details or you can see only object? It's an object. So, but if it is an element, if it is an like this, if this is a element list, okay, if this is a list, we used to see the complete list now. We used to see the complete list now. But here, can we see the complete object details, complete whatever the map or object, whatever we are talking? Can you see here? No.
No.
So we have to print individually. The each and every detail of the object we have to print individually. How we can print? Let's go to this one. Okay. There are different types, different ways of writing. Yeah. Now we have a way. Object name. Okay. Object name. What is the object name here? It's a
Person.
person. Okay. Object name dot property name.
First name.
Instead of keys, we say this as a properties
Property name.
and its values. Okay. So
Yeah.
what we do is
Person
name
dot
equals
first name.
person dot first name.
First name.
Now let's see what we'll get. Again we have to do this one. Let's do it. It will reload. Now you got it right. So individually properties we can print it here. Okay, we can print it individually the properties. So is this clear or any questions in this one?
Yeah, it's clear. It's
This
clear.
is clear, na?
Yeah, now what if we have two names? Two
Which
first
one?
names.
Two first names. Okay. One second. Before talking about two first names, do you remember this one? Two keys. Do we have the same in the maps? Hello.
No.
Same here. We can't have. Okay. We should not have the two names similar. Okay. Because it's an error. It's a bug. Because system itself not accepts. Okay. Two keys should not be same, or two properties should not be same. Okay. The values can be same. This we know already, the concept, right? The values can be same, but not here. Okay.
Yeah.
Clear? Yeah. So we can do like that, or we can ask like this. I want the information of first name. So like this. So we can have like this, or we can ask dot, like let's say dot last name. So this will be also fine. Dot notation or square notation. Okay. Whatever the way you ask, it will give the data for you. Okay. It will give the data for you. Okay. Now there are some other methods too. Okay. There are some other methods too. Now leave about this one. Okay, leave about this one. I'll tell you what is this one. In JavaScript, we have a way to write a functions. Okay, functions, a special functions. We'll talk about this one now. Let me. This is very simple actually. Hmm. Oh, yes. Okay. See, do you remember the methods inside the methods for any maps? Get like this, right? So what the get used to do? It used to fetch the data. No? It used to fetch the data of that value. Okay, when a key is passed, yes or no, in the maps. But here, no need to write get or something. Okay, we can do directly this one. Okay, we can do directly this one. So this is very simple. Okay, very simple. So no need to keep more brain on this. So this is very simple. Declare the data and access the data. Okay. If you want to create more, okay. If you want to create more, simply person dot instead of age, let's say, okay. Let's say, person dot phone equals to now. Now this dot student data equals to so now. Did you get the phone number? Okay, you got the phone number. Is the phone number present at the initial declaration?
No.
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 Okay, but here we have added. How we added? Did we use any method? Dot add, dot get? No, no.
Object.propertyName.
Object dot property name. Then we have assigned the value.
Value.
Then again we fetched that value. Object dot property name. Then we have used in the our normal, okay, our normal value. I mean, this is our global data. No? So there we have used. So this is how we can add new things or get new things. Okay. There are more things to do. There are more things to do on this. But basically, this is what it is about a object. Is this clear now? This is clear now for you?
Yeah, clear.
Hmm? Just a minute. Huh? I'll explain you. I'll explain you. This is special thing which we are doing now. Just Hold on. What happened now? My name is Kalyan. Okay, it got printed, and you can see the hello world is executed here. Okay, till now, you have seen we can write a function like this. Okay, we can write a function like this, and if you want to write another function, how you used to write again? You remember?
Handle
Method 2 or whatever, handle click to, handle check, handle on click. So like this you used to write. But now where I have written the function? Inside the, come on, inside the
Object.
inside the object, I have written a function. Okay. This is possible only in the JavaScript objects, which it's generally we treat it as a map, but it's not a map at all. It's a special thing. Okay, it's a special thing. Okay, it's called object because we have the properties, all as well as we have the, come on, as well as we have the
method
methods. Okay, as well as we have the method. That methods how we have to call
written.
object name dot the method name.
Oh,
Simple.
yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so when we call this, what happened? Whatever the thing it has to do, it has done, and it returned some value. Okay, it returned some string. The string I have collected here and printed here. Okay. Okay. Clear?
Yeah, it's clear now.
Yeah, clear.
Chandana, Neha, Varshit.
Clear.
Hmm? Clear?
Yes.
So, in the JavaScript, we not only write the properties, key sign value space or property and value space, but we also declare methods. We also write methods. That methods we generally call using object dot method name. Okay? Clear now? Now, I'll give few tasks on this. Okay, I'll give few tasks on this that you have to do. Okay, that you have to do. So we will end this meeting. Okay, we'll end this meeting and we'll start another meeting for the Salesforce related topics. Okay. No
Okay.
question in this maps. We have multiple things to do. These objects are just yet started today, so we have much to do on these objects. But for now, it's okay now. Yeah.
Yeah.
Hmm. Okay. So join the other meeting.